Elon Musk has just made a shocking announcement that could change the trajectory of both Tesla and American politics. At the Qatar Economic Forum, Musk confirmed he's done funding political campaigns, including Donald Trump's, and is staying at Tesla for at least 5 more years. But what triggered this sudden pivot? And how is it connected to Tesla's falling sales, internal pressure, and Musk's controversial political ties? If you want more breakdowns like this, drop a comment below and let us know what you want next. It was at the Qatar Economic Forum where Elon Musk, normally bold and unapologetic, offered a rare mix of humor and humility. When asked if he was sure about his job security, Musk chuckled and replied, "Well, no, I might die." But behind the laughter was a serious message. Musk announced he's stepping back from political donations, particularly to Republican campaigns. His exact words? "In terms of political spending, I'm going to do a lot less in the future." This comes after millions of dollars in donations to Trump and GOP super PACs, which sparked backlash from Tesla's early liberal customer base. Musk's political affiliations haven't just shaken customers, they've triggered unrest inside Tesla's own boardroom. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Tesla board had even begun quietly searching for a new CEO as frustrations mounted. Some board members, including his brother Kimball Musk and James Murdoch, were reportedly alarmed by Elon's growing involvement in Washington and the White House, especially as the head of Doge, a political advisory group. And with Tesla sales slumping, internal pressure only intensified. Musk may be stepping back from politics, but it's clear why. Tesla's global sales are in trouble. In China, Tesla sales are down over 18% year over year. In the UK, they've plummeted 62%. In Germany, a 46% drop. Compare that with competitors like BYD, which just announced ultra-fast charging batteries that can be refueled as fast as a gas tank. In the US, traditional automakers like Ford, GM, and Hyundai are surging ahead in EV growth, while Tesla's American sales sputter. Musk admits Tesla has lost ground with the political left, but now sees rising support from conservative buyers skeptical of EVs. Musk's support of Trump and conservative causes didn't come quietly. He openly donated millions to Trump's 2024 campaign, an aggressive move that alienated Tesla's original fan base. Before this public endorsement, Musk had quietly funneled money into Republican super PACs, backing candidates aligned with deregulation and business interests. But the backlash was immediate. Customers walked away, and Tesla's brand loyalty dipped significantly in left-leaning states. Musk now says he's done enough with political funding and it's time to refocus. At Tesla HQ, Musk's new priorities are clear. 1. Tap into the conservative EV market. While many Republican voters have been skeptical of electric cars, Musk sees an opportunity to convert them with updated messaging and newer features. 2. Refresh Tesla's aging lineup. The Model 3 debuted in 2017, the Model Y in 2020, yet both have only had minor upgrades. Meanwhile, BYD, Hyundai, and others are pushing the envelope with futuristic designs, faster charging, and lower prices. Can Musk catch up in time? Musk's decision to stay on as Tesla's CEO for 5 more years might calm investor nerves, but it won't be easy. The brand is at a crossroads. Political controversy, falling international sales, and stale product lines threaten its dominance. But Musk remains confident. Sales are improving, he told the Qatar audience. Still, even loyal fans wonder, will a political reset be enough to rebuild trust? Elon Musk says he's done with political donations and ready to double down on Tesla. But is it too late to repair the damage? What do you think? Can Tesla win back lost customers and beat rising global competitors? Or has Musk's political detour hurt the brand for good? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on tech, EVs, and market-moving stories.